Ferry Guy 2 here on board Hyak. Friday Harbor.
Hyak with Guy 2.
Hello, and this is Elliot Legos, Ferries And MO here on board the Hyak departing Friday Harbor, San Juan Island for the 3:45 sailing.
This is the belated 3:45 sailing because it's like 3:55 right now.
Yep.
They're of course loading a lot of cars and a lot of passengers. This is often a very crowded sailing.
Yeah, almost a full boat. Prepare for a horn, I believe. They always do it here. I don't know why.
They might do a horn. I'm not sure. I hope they're not doing a drill right now. Oh, here we go. There's the quiet yet lovely horn of the MV Hyak.
Also, I got in that same horn, but in a chorus, so you can barely hear it.
Yeah.
Due to the wind.
Yeah, the wind is a huge factor in that.
A good thing there was no wind.
There's the 13-year-old Dolphin.
Yep.
And the San Juan Clipper, the Victoria Clipper series. Sort of slewing out of the dock right now, literally going faster later. Well guys, this has been the departure.
Ferry Guy 2 here on board Hyak.
Friday Harbor.
With
Thanks for watching Elliot Legos, Ferries And MO.
With Elliot Legos, Ferries And MO. That's the Hyak. Goodbye.